Name of our game is Fun with Tenses. Basically, this is the game which is on present continuous tense. Myself, Vanita, and Gina, we are created this game. At the age group, children of 6 to 9 or even 10 can play this game. Basically, grade 1 to 4 children can play this game. The objective is that they will be able to use present continuous tense in their sentences. Also, they will enhance the knowledge. Also, they will improve their vocabulary. So these are the objectives. This is the scoreboard. Now I'll be telling you about the game, what it is. Just okay. So this is basically we have made few slides, and on this slide, on every slide, there is a picture given. The child has to look at the picture carefully, and the child has to write the correct word over here. Since this is on present continuous tense, the child has to write only that word. Suppose if writing since the girls are dash, so what will come here? The girls are dancing. Okay, but if the child is writing if the child writes dance, yes, and it has to just click on it. So it will say incorrect answer, try again, and it will also give the sound, which is again buzzer sound. 1 second. If the answer is wrong, so it is like that. Again, the child has to go back, all right, and the child has to try again. So again, if the child is writing dancing over here, yeah, and if the child is clicking on next, it will say correct answer, and the child can go for the next one. And the buzzer also rings. This buzzer goes. So the game is like this. Now how to play it? This can be played in the physical. I have different slides over here of different images, and all of them are on present continuous tense. Now how to play this game? Now this game can be played in the physical classroom, where the PPT can be uploaded on the Digiboard, and will be shared like yes. Then there will be scoreboard, which we will be making. Now we will be making groups of 5 children. In every group there will be 5 children, and like I have given some names. We have given some names over here. So every group will come in forward, come in for front, and will be keeping some flashcards ready over here, just like this. There will be some flashcards, like let's say 10 flashcards will be there. The child has to now it is since it is a group of 5 children, those 5 children will come in front. The 3 children amongst them, the 3 children will discuss with each other, and they will pick up the card, and they will give it to the fourth child. The fourth child will read that, and the child will whisper in the fifth child's ear, and the child will go, and the child will write, the child will type it basically. Okay, and then the question will the answer will be they will be writing here like this. The child will write like this.
They will type the answer there.
Yes, they will type the answer. So like that we will be making like we'll make 5 groups, or 6 groups. It's like that, and every group will get 30 seconds. If they don't finish it in 30 seconds, the question will go to the next, and their marks will be minus them. So it is like that. So this is the group of you can say set of flashcards, which we will provide them in the class. So yeah, this is the game.